The problem. Goal. Hook the viewer, validate their pain, and explain the automatic economy. Start with the 7 out of 10 statistic. Visualize a street with 10 houses. Talk about the feeling of quiet desperation. Most people look rich on Instagram but are broke in real life. Explain paycheck to paycheck. It means if you miss one paycheck, you are homeless. That is a terrifying way to live. The automatic economy. Companies have automated taking your money. Subscriptions, Uber, Amazon, one click. The money magnet phone concept. Contrast this with the past. Your grandparents paid cash. You pay with a tap. It hurts less to spend digital money, so you spend more. The no plan. Most people think they have a plan. They don't. If you don't have a plan for your money, someone else does. The ad algorithm knows you better than you know yourself. It knows when you are sad and want to buy something to feel better. But there is hope. We are going to build an automatic millionaire plan today. The solution: pay yourself first. Goal: explain the core concept of wealth building. The first hour rule: you work 8 hours a day. Who gets the first hour? Usually the landlord, the bank, the tax man. The rule: the first hour of your income belongs to you. Math breakdown: 1 hour 8 hours equals 12.5%. Round it to 12% to 14%. This money must move automatically before you touch it. The tax advantage. Explain pre-tax versus post-tax simply. If you save $100 in a 401k, you keep $100. If you take it as cash, the government takes $30 and you keep $70. The free money match: if your employer matches 3%, that is a 100% return on investment immediately. Never turn down free money. The start small strategy: I can't afford 12%. Okay, start with 1%. The psychology of the raise: if you get a 3% raise, save 2% of it. You won't miss it because you never had it. The Fidelity Millionaire stat: ordinary people becoming millionaires in 26 years, just by saving 14%. Where to invest? The boring path to wealth. Goal: demystify the stock market and prevent bad investing. Don't be a hero. Story of the grandmother teaching the kid about McDonald's stock. Why picking stocks is gambling for most people. The young risk myth: young people think they should buy crypto, meme stocks. This is wrong. Youth is for compounding, not gambling. The solution: index funds. Explain VTI. Ooh. Don't look for the needle in the haystack. Just buy the haystack. You own a piece of Apple, Amazon, Google, and 3,500 other companies. Target date funds: the set it and forget it option. The cost of waiting: show a graph. Person A starts at 20. Person B starts at 30. Person A invests less money but ends up with double the wealth. Time in: the market beats timing the market. The compound interest miracle. Goal: blow their minds with the math of small habits. The $10,000 brick visual: holding a stack of $10,000. Question: how much do you have to waste to blow this in a year? Answer: $27.40 a day. The latte factor: it's not just coffee, it's the Uber Eats, the unused gym membership, the streaming services. List column: $27 day wastes. The math: $27.40 day invested at 10% for 40 years equals $4 million. You are eating your $1 million future one sandwich at a time. The 100-day challenge. Actionable step: try saving $10 a day for 100 days. Put it in a jar or a separate account. Prove to yourself that you have the money. Crushing debt: the DOLP method. Goal: give a tactical plan for those in the hole. The debt trap: credit cards are not free money. They are chains. The minimum payment scam: it keeps you in debt for 20 years. DOLP system: Step 1, list all debts. Step 2, ignore interest rates. Step 3, pay off the smallest balance first. Why? Psychology. You need a quick win to feel good. Once card A is paid, take that money and attack card B. Negotiating rates: call the credit card company. I am thinking of switching to another card. Can you lower my rate? Move billing dates so they align with your paycheck. Automate the minimum payments so you never pay a late fee. Estate planning and the end game. Goal, the emotional closing. Why we do this. The fire drill, dark truth. If you died today, would your spouse know where the money is? The money date. Couples need to talk about money when they aren't fighting. Get a will. 60% of people don't have one. The let them versus. Let me theory. Let them worry about the economy. Let them complain about politics. Let me handle my business. Let me save my first hour. Taking responsibility is the ultimate freedom. Conclusion and CTA. Recap. Automatic economy is rigged. Pay yourself first. Invest in index funds. Crush debt smallest to largest. Final quote. You are one decision away from a different life. Call to action. If you are ready to change your life, hit subscribe. Comment I am ready below.